Hey y'all, happy Saturday. Cheers. It's 20 to 2. I'm hungry. So I want to make me an omelet. We're going to go out today and fire up the Blackstone. Hope I got enough gas for this cook. I should have. I'm going to make me a shrimp omelet. I'm going to use Uncle Steve's gator shake. Let's see, we got some, I shredded up some pepper jack cheese. I got about a dozen little shrimps here, peeled, deveined, and the tails cut off. We're going to need a little seasoning blend, Trinity if you will. Some eggs. I got 4 mushrooms that I sliced up. And just because I like these things, I'm going to drain these and throw me some sliced potatoes on the Blackstone. And if I get real energetic, I may make me a piece of toast. I don't know. So let me get the potatoes drained, get the Blackstone fired up. And it's actually a beautiful day. There ain't no wind, sun's shining. I'm officially declaring winter over now.
Didn't take your jacket off.
No, that don't come off until the 1st of May. So let's go fire up the Blackstone. And then we'll bring Terry outside and let her film out there. It's been a while. So, back in a few. Okay, I got everything out here. I got these 2 burners on here. About a medium right now. And I may have to turn one down to cook my eggs. I don't know. I'm going to get these potatoes on first. So, put a little oil down there. Let me get a little sizzle. Where'd my thingy go? Cooperate. And season these up a little gator shake. A bit more oil. Put our Trinity in there. Just need enough for 2 omelets. Get off of there. And then I gotta get my mushrooms down. So now we just gotta let this cook for a little bit. And when all this gets about done, we'll be back and do us an omelet. So, just showing the Blackstone some love today. It's been a while. A little bit more oil ain't gonna hurt. So, we just cooking, folks. So, be back in a couple minutes. Okay, Terry says the mushrooms are done. I know my Trinity's ready. So I'm gonna put all that together. And then just move it over to the stool side. Give my potatoes a little bit more time. About, I don't know, maybe another 2 minutes, and then we'll come back and put the shrimps on. So, be back in a few. Okay, we're going to put the shrimps down. Put a little oil on there. Get out of there. Spread them about. And then put some gator shake on. So, it won't take these shrimps long. They'll be done. Then we can build our omelet. Finally, I'm hungry. potatoes are looking good.
They're done.
Not enough for me. Not enough for me.
You want them burnt.
Yeah.
No. Don't ruin a good fried tater.
So, we get these shrimp cooked and we'll be back in a minute. Okay, hope my fire's down enough. And I don't know how level this ground is, so we're gonna find out. I got 3 eggs here, whipped up. Spread this all around. Cooperate with me, eggs. Not too bad. Go in there. Go in there.
You talk about a lopsided omelet.
That's all right. It'll still eat. Getting over there on the cool side now. Put some pepper jack cheese in there. That was freshly shredded by me. Put some shrimps in there. Some Trinity and some mushrooms. And now we just gotta wait till that egg sets up. Slide this over a little bit.
Pour it up.
Oh well, you can eat that one. So let me get this one finished and make the other one, and we'll come back inside and show you a plated project here and give you a taste test. So we'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, that's what I ended up with. My eggs got a little brown on me. I normally don't like that, but
But you like black toast.
yeah. So let's cut into this and see what it looks like.
Yummy.
Looks like a bunch of stuff in there. And before I put my potatoes, or my ketchup on my potatoes and my hot sauce on my eggs, I want to taste it first and see what the Uncle Steve shake did. So let's try a potato first. That's a real good flavor on the potatoes. I like that. It's kind of mild,
Yeah, that's what I said.
but it's a good seasoning there. Make sure I got a shrimp here. I just taste the shrimp. Oh yeah, I'm liking this. Uncle Steve's Gator Shake. doctor my stuff up. Little Zatarain's Cajun hot sauce. This is pretty good stuff if y'all can find it. Yeah, that seasoning goes good on them shrimps and the potatoes. I asked Terry to burn me a piece of rye toast. She almost burned it. I can eat it though. So, I'm gonna go eat. I'm supposed to go to Karen's tomorrow and work on her outdoor kitchen, get it ready for the spring and summer. So, that's why I had to do a video today. So, we're gonna go eat. Y'all have a good one. Go make you a shrimp omelet. See ya.